Today we are installing the AZDOME M550 3-channel dashcam into my dad's 60 Chevy. It has a 4K 1080p dual dash camera for cars with built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, front and rear inside camera, and has a 64GB card included. It has a 3.9-inch IPS screen, WDR, IR night vision, and parking mode. Right now it's on Amazon for $91. It plugs right into the cigarette lighter outlet. On the 60, we have to plug it in and then unplug it when done because unlike newer cars, this outlet has constant power and it'll drain the battery and stay recording once the car is turned off. Here's my brother running the wires for it. Annoying sister tag. He took the panels off here to run the wires. Put it this way, and then this needs to have just a little piece right here to keep it on that thing.
Who's that? Huh? Who? What's wrong with that though? Don't know you, but I guess it's alright.
The dashcam footage shows the date, time, miles per hour, latitude and longitude, as well as the make of the dashcam itself.
Nice car, man. Thank you. It's Impala, 60 Impala. Thank you. I put a little 305 in it so I could dog it and still get good gas mileage.